I'm Birta Arby and welcome back to my channel. Today I have kind of a follow-up from last week's video and I want to do the crown, the halo, the magnificent crown hat that I was talking about in previous video. I think I might also do like a halo and then a star as a hat. I already took the star and kind of managed to break it. We're not off to a good start, are we? What I want to start by doing is kind of find a way to link those two together, the ends. So the idea is that I want this on top of my head and then I want the star to like rise from it, and I want these lights all around that as well. So I figured it would be easiest to just start with like a cardboard base, and then I would use like just bobby pins to pin them to whatever wig I would be wearing. When I bought these lights, I didn't know they would be, I thought they would be white only, but they're in a couple of colors. I don't know if this registers on video, but it's what I'm stuck with, so we'll see it on the end result anyway. And I do have my friend the glue gun here with me, so you're in for a good time, I think. I kind of want to start to just take off a couple of these on the end here, just so I have some of the wiring, so I can maybe glue those ends together. I don't know. We'll see how that goes. Or maybe I can just use the wire to hook them together, and we will see. And then I'm just gonna use the glue gun to use a glue gun to get the end of this. Oh, shit. I'm not gonna mess with this too much while this dries. Then I have this. I think I should just do like a one fold ring, so it's not too much. So I'm just gonna cut this. I kind of just have a vague idea of what I'm doing here, but we'll see how it ends up looking. So this is maybe like the half of it, so maybe here. That doesn't fold very well. So now I'm just cutting these into little hat shapes. I don't know what hat shapes are, but I mean like the bottom of a top hat, I guess. Glue gun again. Create a little sandwich. I don't know how to hold this. Just sandwich these together. I'm gonna try to keep the folds also together, so it's easy to get the bobby pins on in the same ridge, if that makes sense. This is drying. This is dried, maybe. Is it? Yeah, this is dried. So this is, I mean, sturdy enough, I guess. I already have batteries in here, so I kind of want to stick this on here, but I have to be careful to keep the side up, the fold where you change the battery. Wow. Okay, so it opens like this. So this has to be up, open. I think I'm just gonna glue gun this on here. We'll see how it goes. The reason why I did want to drill for the holes is because I kind of want to use something like this to tie it down. But maybe it's just better. I mean, since we're gluing everything anyway, might as well try this first. But I'm kind of afraid that this won't hold. Maybe it will. I mean, this is pretty. Oh no, I kind of want it to be like this. So turn it while I still can. Oh no, I made a mistake. But I mean, I can still work with this. And honestly, if you're ever working with a glue gun or something like this, be careful because it really is hot and you can really burn yourself and hurt yourself while using this. So be careful. But I think this is pretty good down here. It looks like it's melting, but you know what? If you look at this carefully, here, what I'm doing, a star is born. Okay. I'm gonna let this dry for a hot second. Da-da-da! I think it's gonna look so nice though when I'm done. I'm gonna go stand by the Christmas tree the whole evening. I think that's my destiny while wearing this. There's gonna be lots of lights on here. This is gonna be so pretty, I think. Maybe this is alright. I don't know. We'll see. Is it dry yet? Nope. Okay. Dry enough, I think. Yeah. It feels good, at least. Okay. So like this, it's like a skirt now. I mean, it's hard to show you. I'm just putting glue on this thing, on the bottom, like on the cardboard thing. Just pray that it sticks. I don't know. I feel like that's crafting for me. Just pray it works. And then I'm just gonna start wrapping the fairy lights around it. Or maybe I wanna glue these on. I'm kind of terrified of this glue gun, but kind of just like a small drop on here. Just for it to create this kind of a halo thing. I'm so excited to turn this on. I'm very curious to see how this turns out. I'm just praying this is not melting whatever wiring is in here. I mean, this was very cheap, so. And look. This is kind of pretty, I think. I kind of want to turn it on. I don't know if it translates to the video, but this is pretty cool. Wow. Look, you guys. It's amazing. I'm gonna put it on. Can you feel it?
Okay, go.
What do you think about my hat? I actually kind of love it. I kind of just love the halo effect around the star. I'm gonna go stand by the Christmas tree all night long in my red jacket as well. I mean, I think this is just perfecting the outfit, and any outfit, to be honest. I might use this for every occasion from here on out. Tell me what you think about this. Do you like it? I like it. Do you like it? It's kind of heavy though, so I might have to have it straight on the head, but you don't care about that. Anyway, if you want to see some of my other videos I've been doing, feel free to check out my channel, and if you want to see what's coming up, subscribe, give it a thumbs up if you like this, and until the next one, happy holidays. Bye!